Hello, welcome back to another CM Travels video. Today we're going to be looking at the Canon 7D Mark II and the autofocus functions on the camera to try and best capture bird photography. Let's get outside and have a look. If you haven't already subscribed, this little red button down here, hit that and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to see more videos from us and get notified as soon as they happen. This helps us out. And if you see any suggested videos coming up here, click on them and see more content from us. Thank you so much for joining us here. We really appreciate it. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up, please. That would really help us as well. And have a good day. Enjoy the content. Let's get into it. Hello, welcome back. Now sitting outside. Now I've changed my Canon bird and flight settings. 3 custom settings on C1, C2 and C3, basically assessing the 3 different autofocus modes, being versatile, case 1, multi-purpose, tracking sensitivity for subjects that accelerate or de-accelerate quickly, as well as for erratic subjects moving quickly in any direction. So we'll start with C1, which is case number 5 for erratic subjects moving quickly in any direction. My subjects will be hopefully some birds that will come to the feeders we have here. Wish me luck. Naturally, as soon as we begin, there's no birds. One must be patient. So I've just got a plane flying past us, not quite as erratic as a bird in flight. However, it'll be interesting to see how they come out. I'm going to change over to the next custom setting, number 2, which has case 4, which is for subjects that accelerate and de-accelerate quickly. See how this works. Grab the sharpness really well there. Flying. Let's see if it got that. That was really good. Stellar. Keen to see those on the computer to see. I'm hoping they're going to fly back from this tree back to this one over here. Stand by. Missed the flight, damn it. Second one's going to go, second one's going to go, first one went, second one about to go. I'm not happy about the sparrow incident. I missed the magpie flying. Still got a chance with this one coming across. Sparrows are still distracting me. These are actually mountain sparrows, identified by the spots on the cheek. Yes, fly away, sparrows, fly away. This is an incredibly bright background here. Come on. Wildlife photography, it's extreme. See, these sparrows are back to distract me. Extremely fast and erratic. My only hope is with this magpie. After much waiting, I think I got the hero shot for my custom setting number 2, which has the autofocus on tracking sensitivity, which is case 4, for subjects that accelerate and de-accelerate quickly. For the final one, we're on case 1, which is a versatile multi-purpose setting. So he's at the top of the tree, he's going to have to fly from there. This should be the hero. Camera settings I'll put in the description below of each of the 3 that were suggested by Canon. Canon support a USA for birds in flight. Interesting to see what works best in my current situation and if it's value to do a bit of the research. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to attempt to use the fixed prime f4 300 with the same settings as we have now with our birds, the magpies. Battery is flashing low. You would think I'd be better prepared. Just got my hero shot. The magpie did exactly what I was hoping he would do. Flew away from the sun and back across, did a full sequence of a shot right through. Trees in the background, very hard. As soon as he came in front of the blue sky, camera grabbed the focus pretty quick and held that focus till she landed back on her nest at the top of this red fern here. Very happy about that. Let's go and see what we've captured. Well, I really hoped that you enjoyed that content of the 3 different tracking modes that we tried. Personally, I'd go for case 1. This allows you to actually have an almost on an auto, especially when you're outside. And of course, if you're wanting that deacceleration and acceleration or movement of erratic birds, for example, hit a custom setting, save it onto your camera, and you can simply switch it across from C1 to C2 or C3. I would suggest if you are in the bird photography world and taking this sort of thing every day, make sure that those settings are saved to C1, C2 and C3. C1 being your first case, C2 being case 4 and C3 being case 5. And that way you can know what situation is happening, automatically change it very fast in the camera setting, and of course this will help you out big time. Thank you Canon for your little bit of information. That's us here at CM Travels. Please hit that subscribe button if you liked the content, hit that thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good one.